Hello and welcome to another video from the Best of CAT series on geometry. This is a rather interesting question and it has appeared multiple times at the CAT. So what I would suggest is you try out this question on your own and then have a look at the solution that will follow. If you like our content and want to experience the IMS pedagogy, you can join the IMS Zero Fee Prep programs that will give you access to concept videos, sectionals, full-length tests and more for free. You may click on the I button or on the link in the description box below to access the same. Happy learning! In this question, I believe the major hurdle is drawing this particular figure. Because we are used to drawing the triangle first and then the medians, it is very difficult to draw a triangle perfectly in your first go. So what I generally tend to do in these kind of questions is, I will draw the medians first and then I will go to draw the triangle. So let's say for example, I am drawing these two medians like this. Let's say for example, this is AD, let's say this is this median AD and this is this median BE for example. Now what we can do in this case is we can construct the entire triangle using these points that we have found. So if we want to construct a triangle ABC, we can just join A and B here and we can just have an imaginary point here C wherein we are just constructing this triangle. Now we can see that AD and BE are perpendicular to each other and they are also medians of this triangle. Now we have to use a few things pertaining to medians in this particular context. We know that in any triangle, the medians will meet inside the triangle at a point which is also referred to as the centroid. We know that a very common identity that exists is that the centroid of any triangle will divide each individual median in the ratio of 2:1. And we also know that that 2 part is always going to be from the vertex to the centroid and the 1 part is going to be from the centroid to the midpoint of the opposite side. That is how this 2:1 is being formed. Now we know that the length of the median AD is 12 centimeter. So can we say that this centroid, let's say denoted by point G, divides this line AD in the ratio of 2:1, which means that the length of AG here is going to be 8 and the length of GD here is going to be 4. Similarly, I can say that if I am looking at this line BD or this median BE for example, what we can say is because the length of BE is 9 units or 9 centimeters, the median or the centroid will divide the median in the ratio of 2:1 or BG will be equal to 6 and GE will be equal to 1 part or 3 centimeters in this case. Now there are multiple ways to solve this question once we reach this point. One way of doing this is by figuring out the area of triangle ABD. So if you look at this area of triangle ABD, it's very easy because this is going to be nothing but half into base. Base in this case is AD and the height in this case is going to be BG. So half into AD into BG will be the area of this triangle ABD, which is given as half into AD is nothing but 8 plus 4, that is 12, multiplied by BG is equal to 6. So the answer here will be half into 12 into 6 or 6 into 6, which will be equal to 36 square units or square centimeters. We also know that area of triangle ABD is nothing but half the area of triangle ABC, and this is a very important identity. I would not have been required to split the medians or both the medians into their individual components, but obviously that is one thing that you should know which pertains to medians. That's why I did it, and because of that particular identity or because a median touches the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle, we can say that area of the two triangles formed because of a median will be equal to each other. So in this case, area of triangle ABD is also half of area of triangle ABC, which will tell us that because area of triangle ABD is 36, area of triangle ABC will be twice of 36 or 72 square centimeter. So we can say that the correct answer here is option 1, that is 72. We can also use this small identity that we have wherein we say that all the three medians when they intersect inside a particular triangle like this will divide the original triangle or the larger triangle into 6 smaller triangles that I have highlighted here, each of which will have area equal to every other smaller triangle. In other words, if I am drawing 3 medians inside a triangle, all these 6 triangles that we have here, smaller triangles, will have equal areas. So what we can do in this case is we can also use this fact to figure out the area of the larger triangle. We can either find the area of triangle AGE or we can find the area of triangle BGD and multiply it by 6 to get our answer. So if we do this, we can see that AGE, if you look at the area of this triangle, it will be half into 8 into 3 or half into 24 or 12, which means that area of the larger triangle will be 12 into 6 or 72 again. You can also do this. 6 4s are 24, into half is 12, 12 6s are going to be 72. So you can find the area of the triangle using any of these methods that I have discussed, or you can find it out using AGB as well, which will again give you another insight into how the medians divide a larger triangle into smaller triangles of equal areas. So that is basically the takeaway from this particular question. Now, if you have understood what we have done here and you want to explore this concept a bit further, you can try out the replica question that is present on the screen. Do comment your answer in the section below and we'll get back to you in case there are any queries pertaining to this particular concept. Thank you.